In most of the world, when someone passes away, the house goes quiet. In Jamaica, sometimes the music gets louder. There is a tradition outsiders find hard to understand, and once you do, it might change how you see grief itself. It is called Nine Night. For 9 nights after a person dies, family and friends gather at the home. There is food, there is white rum, there is singing, dominoes, and storytelling that runs deep into the early hours. It is not that nobody is sad, it is that Jamaicans choose to send a loved one off with celebration instead of silence, to fill the house with life, so the spirit, the Duppy, leaves in peace and does not linger. That same spirit shows up everywhere. At Christmas, there is Junkanoo, dancers in bright, wild masks parading through the streets, a tradition that survived all the way from the days of slavery. And every summer, Jamaica rolls Emancipation Day and Independence Day into one long stretch of pride that people simply call Emancipendence. Flags, music, food, and a whole nation celebrating both freedom and self-rule. Jamaica turns even the hardest moments into community and celebration. If that spirit speaks to you, we have a Jamaican t-shirt linked below. And tell me in the comments, does your culture have anything like Nine Night?